Hi everyone, my name is Amjad Shani and my channel name is The Technology Tracker. Today's my topic is lean manufacturing. What is lean manufacturing and how does it work for any organization? So in this video today I will explain everything. So please continue with me. Let's start. Lean manufacturing is a methodology that focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing system while simultaneously maximizing productivity. Waste is seen as many things that customers don't believe adds value and are not willing to pay for. Some of the benefits of lean manufacturing can include reduced lead time, reduced operating cost, and improved product quality and improved plant efficiency. Lean manufacturing, also known as lean production or lean, is a practice that organization from numerous fields can enable. Some well-known companies that use lean include Toyota, Intel, and Nike. The approach is based on the Toyota production system and is still used for the company, as well as myriad other companies that is use enterprise resources planning ERP can also benefit from using a lean production system. Lean manufacturing is based on number of specific principles such as Kaizen or continuous improvement. The 8 wastes of lean manufacturing include defect impact time, money, resources, and customer satisfaction. Excess processing is a sign of a poorly designed process. Overproduction, waiting, inventory, transportation, motion, and non-utilized talent. And why do we need a lean process for any organization? Lean process management is a method for building a company culture that supports continuous improvement. It involves a long-term approach to daily work that encourages small incremental change in a process operation to improve quality and the plant efficiency. Thank you.